Hello, my friends. Oh my God, it's spring and I'm way behind. How am I ever going to get it all done? I'm sure many of you can relate to that. And I'm just going to give you some tips on how to get through it. And the first one and the main one is to laugh at everything, even the setbacks. You know, my dad always used to say, if you can't have a little fun, it's not worth it. I set my egg basket down, trying to do some different shots with the GoPro up on the head there. And I can't find it. And I was just telling my sister-in-law I could probably make more money being a magician with all the things that I can make disappear that I can't find. You just gotta find the humor in things, you know. The old saying, laughter is the best medicine, really is true. I know life can be chaotic on the farm at times, and so you just have to keep putting one foot in front of the other and keep on moving forward. And I need to get those starts in, and I need to get all this stuff going on. Let's get to the chores, huh? Shall we? Looking at potato seeds. A place called Sam's House. Getting the greenhouse, tomatoes, peppers. Place called D&B. So here we actually have some decent soil, some decent potting soil. I think I'm gonna get a bag of it. So here we are after winter in the garden area, the raised bed areas I should say. So we're gonna see, maybe we start planting today. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe plant some potatoes and some starts. The starts will be in trays, but I have the greenhouse coverings, and so I'll make them into greenhouses. They'll get a little cool at night, but most of the cool weather crops should be fine right now. So we're in the well house here getting ready to do some starts or get some flats ready for starts right now. Just barely got that cleaned out. And we have some potting soil, organic potting soil. We like to make our own usually, but for these kinds of things, it's easier to just go buy some. And we have some organic stuff. It's got some seed here too. We like to collect our own seed as much as we can. Right here. Rutabaga, sunflowers, and we buy seed too. We have bought them over the years. Try to buy organic and heirloom type stuff. There you go. Here's green onions. I'm going to put a couple extras because these are older seeds in here. So the older the seeds, the more chance of some of them not germinating.
There it is. Look at that. The missing egg basket.
And we may start doing some starts today. We shall see. People wonder why you do this. And so I just like being out here. I like being in the outdoors. I like making things grow. I like being around the animals. The cows just got done with their morning eating routine. Otherwise they'd be up here bugging me. Got 2 new calves. Pod system watering the next section works out pretty good. This is an irripod system. So we got a whole lot of stuff done. We feel better now. I feel better now that we got some chores done. We got some things done for spring readiness, and we got some starts planted. We got some seed potatoes. I usually save seed potatoes from my last year's, but we planted late last year and we got quite a few potatoes, but unfortunately I didn't, they froze. I left them out overnight and it froze, and so most of them weren't any good, so we ended up giving them to the animals, the goats and the chickens. So we went and bought some seed potatoes this year, and we got several varieties. We got the pasture behind me over there, seeded, watered. We got the irripod system moved and watered where we seeded the pasture. Enjoy being out in nature, doing all those things that we love to do. Well, some of them we don't love, but you got to do them anyway so that you can do the things that you love too. So looks like the chickens are out and about. They're all just getting ready to get fed. Well, except for the chickens, they have feed. But we're moving forward. So that's the key, and try to have some fun when you do it. Always laugh at yourself, laugh at the things that are going on. The whole egg basket fiasco, you know, that was just a little thing, but it was kind of funny. You know, when I was younger, I would get all upset about that, you know, and one thing I've learned is, you know, getting upset never ever changes what you got upset about in the first place, so it's kind of a waste of energy. So you just got to step back and laugh, and that sort of sucks the bad energy out of the air, and you know, you can move forward and have a little fun with it all. All right, you guys have a good rest of your day, evening, or afternoon, or morning, wherever you're at watching this, and we'll talk to you soon next time.